Hi everyone, this is Melissa, and I'm here to show you how to use Eva to organize and manage your email inbox. If you're already a Marblism user, this may help you to get better results. And if you are not, then I'm concerned. How's your inbox doing? So if the answer is not that bad, it can just get better. But if your inbox is loaded with unnecessary emails and you're struggling to find the really important ones, this is for you. So meet Eva, your executive assistant. Let me tell you what she can do. She is able to draft your emails, to label them, to archive them, and manage your calendar. But also, she can attend your meetings with you and take notes, so she can send you a summary at the end. If you have already onboarded her, let me tell you a few tricks. So first, these yellow labels that you are seeing here in the screen are the ones that Eva is using to organize your email right now. So if you see something that is not exactly how you want it, you can change it here, you can delete them, and you can create new ones. And once this is exactly as you want it, you can go to the guidelines and you can be as specific as you want. You can mention a specific kind of email, or if you want to be more clear about the way that she will classify those, that's the place. Then you have this tone analysis that Eva has already made for you. So Eva has already analyzed your tone to match it. You can tell her also which email would you like to have a reply for. You can tell her what kind of emails to archive and what are your preference to schedule meetings. If you work from 9 to 5, if you don't work on Mondays, if you are 24/7, or if you want to use a specific link for people to schedule a meeting with you, that's another option. So once you have your guidelines exactly as you want, here in the calendar section, you can see the option for the note taker. If you want to change her name in the meeting, here's the option. And you can also select how you want to receive the summary. If you want it just for you, if you want it for the other participants, or if you want her to only join the meetings in which you are the host. And you can also create a signature for when she drafts an email for you. Please remember that you can always ask your agents to be more specific about something, like for example the summary, or you can ask them to create tasks for themselves. Don't forget to use the brain if you want to use something as a reference for them, and also don't forget to let us know in the help button if you have any issues. So now you know how Eva can help you keep your inbox under control. If you don't have Eva already doing this, what are you waiting for? See you in the next video to show you more about Marblism. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give a thumbs up to this video if you liked it.